Welcome to Inter Price Logística, a leading company specialized in intralogistics equipment and integrated warehouse solutions across Mexico. Founded in 2004, our headquarters are located in San Luis Potosí, with service and sales offices positioned in Aguascalientes, Monterrey, Guadalajara, Guanajuato, Estado de México, Mexico City, Puebla, and Querétaro. Today, more than 400 professionals are part of our organization, driven by a strong customer service culture and the expertise of our highly trained technical team. Since 2015, we have proudly partnered with Steel, one of the world's leading brands in electric material handling equipment, delivering innovative and sustainable solutions for modern warehouse operations. We also collaborate with Hyundai, offering specialized reach truck solutions, equipped with pantograph mast systems, ideal for high-density storage environments. In 2022, we partnered with Equipmen, a Chinese company known for its high-quality forklifts. As part of our commitment to innovation, we continue integrating advanced automation technologies through Equipmen and Vision Nav autonomous systems. Our extensive inventory of original spare parts allow us to provide maintenance and technical support for any type of material handling equipment. Beyond forklifts, we create warehouse engineering projects, from design and planning to the installation of racking systems, tailored to each customer's operation. We also provide warehouse safety solutions, including rack protection systems and technologies focused on improving operator safety. In addition, we offer certified DC3 training programs for forklift operators. Over the years, we have trained thousands of professionals throughout Mexico, contributing to safer and more efficient operations nationwide. At Inter Price Logística, we are committed to delivering innovation, reliability, and long-term value to every client we serve. We invite you to visit our headquarters in San Luis Potosí and discover how Inter Price Logística can help transform and optimize your logistics operation.